Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. And in the previous class we have finished the definition of division and we have finished the examples, and even though I have given the some homework also. So hope so you all completed the homework. So today we are going to see our exercise page number 88. Okay, so take the page number 88. So here you can see our exercise. The first one already they have given the answers here. The first one, 5 girls share 15 balloons. The facts are. So here we have to find out the answer. 5 girls shared 15 balloons. So related to this sum, they have given the picture also. So by this picture also you can understand. Okay. So 5 girls. So you can see a box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can see a box, 5 box, that is means 5 girls, and shared 15 balloons. So how many balloons are there here total? 15 balloons. So they have shared equally. So now we have to find out the answer. Okay, through the division method. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 3 balloons. How they got 3 balloons? 5. How much are 15? 5. 3 is a 15. So each girl gets 3 balloons. How many balloons they get? Each one 3 balloons. Okay. So even though they have showed here 3 into 5 is equal to 15 in the multiplication. Okay. So 3 5s are 15. So you can find out the answer here like this, but before that you have to find out the answer. This is the one very important. Okay, 5 how much are 15, that you should find out, then only we can check the answer. So this multiplication will help us to check our answers. Okay, so by the picture also you can understand easily. So in each box there are 3 balloons. That means each girl gets 3 balloons equally. Okay, now let's see the second one. 4 boys share 12 kites. The facts are, so here they have given. So let's solve this second one. So the first method is 12 divided by 4. So let's find out the answer here. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Isn't it? We got the number 12. Then we have to stop. So now tell me 4. How much are 12 children? 4 threes are. So that means the answer is 3. Got it? So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So each they get 3 kites. Okay. Now the second step is, now we have to take this number 3. Then we have to check the answer whether it is correct or no. Then multiplication we have to do. Then this number, that is 4 boys. Then 3 fours are how much? 3 fours are, what is the answer? Total 12 that we get here. So total kites 12 kites, and each they get 3 kites equally. So each boy gets how many kites? 3. Got it? Each boy gets 3 kites equally. So the next one. The next one, 5 children share 20 pencils. The fact are. So here total number of pencils 20. Okay. So total number of children are 5. So we have to find out the fact. Okay. So that is 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. We have to find out. So what we have to write? First we have to write the table of 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. We got the number 20. Then we have to stop. So now tell me 5 how much are 20 you got children? Yes, 5 fours are. So that means 4 is our answer. Got it? So each child get 4 pencils equally. Got it? Now we have to check the answer. So we have to write here 4 into the number 5. Now tell me, 4 5s are how much? 20. So we got the answer, right one. So total number of pencils, 20 pencils, and each child get how many pencils? Equally 4 pencils. Got it? Yes. Let's move to the next one. The next one is 3 girls share 12 cakes. The fact are. Okay. So now here we have to find out the how many cakes each girl will get. Okay. So how many cakes are there, children? Total number of cakes, 12 cakes. And how many girls are there? 3 girls. Okay. Now let's find out 12 divided by 3. So let's find out the table 3 here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and 3 fours are 12. So we got the number 12. So then we have to stop. Now tell me, 3, how much are 12 you got, children? Yes, 3 fours are. That is the answer. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 cakes. So number of cakes, how many they got each? Equally 4. Okay. Next, now we have to find out the answer. Now we have to check the answer. So how we have to write now? 4 into 3. So number of cakes we have to find out. 4 threes are 12. Got it? Now 12 we got the right answer. So here we have to write each girl gets how many cakes, children, here? Each girl gets 4 cakes. Each girl gets 4 cakes equally. Let's move to the next one. So the next one is 3 babies share 9 toys. The facts are. So number of toys, how many children? 9. And number of babies? 3. So now we have to distribute these 9 toys for 3 babies equally. Okay. So which table we have to write side? 3 ones are. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So we got the number 9. Now 3. How much are 9 you got, children? 3 threes are. Okay. 3 threes are 9. That means the answer is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So how many toys they got each? 3 toys. Got it? Now we have to check the answer, that is 3 into 3. This 3 and this 3. So 3 threes are, how much we got? 9. So we got the answer here, 9. 3 threes are 9 toys. Total number of toys, 9. So each baby gets how many toys? 3 toys. Got it? So each baby gets 3 toys equally. So here we have completed 4 sums from the textbook. Now let's move to the textbook. So we have completed page number 88. Till E we have completed the sums. By looking at the picture also you can guess the answer easily. But kindly try to follow the step which I have showed. Okay. Let's move to the page number 89. So the next one, 5 girls share 10 flowers. The facts are. Okay. So here you have to write the 10 divided by 5. How many flowers? 2 into 5. Then answer 2 5s are. Then each girl gets how many flowers. So page number 89 is your homework. Okay. So page number 89. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sums. Okay. So by looking at the pictures you can guess the answer as I told you. But kindly you have to follow the steps. So page number 88 and 89, which all the sums you have here. So you have to copy in your classwork book neatly. And you have to find out the answers properly. Okay. So complete the given work. Till that, take care and see you in the next class and practice the tables. Okay children, take care and bye bye.